how did you make him feel comfortable? How did you show that you had good communication skills and develop that rapport so it was less of a super formal thing and more like a conversation?
I literally went up to him. I said, "Hey, Steve, my name's Justin Qualia. I'm a freshman. I'm the only person in this room who's probably not trying to get hired right now. I just want to make sure like I'm learning and meeting people. Like I want to make sure my resume looks good. Like I've been really impressed by what you had to say. Like, thank you for coming down." He was also part of the student investment fund. So I just said, "Hey, I'm part of the student investment as well." And I'm like, all these guys are trying to fight for your time to get a job. Like, I would love to just pick your brain one day when you have 30 minutes to actually talk and really just learn more about what you would do if you were in my shoes. And I wasn't aggressive. I was just like, listen, like when it fits your schedule, like would love to talk more. Yeah. And I think he was really taken back by that. I was like, okay, wow, this guy actually has interpersonal skills and he's a human. And he sees that people around me are kind of just, they're like, they see prey on the ground, they're going to go chase it down. Right. Whereas I was like, listen, I know that maybe I'm not the prime candidate right now, but I'm not going to waste this opportunity to get to meet somebody.
Right.